where to tell you to go to help get the answer. But not often. We usually can figure it out.
So, what did Eddie learn about the value of his great-great-great-grandfather's Confederate sword?
There's more room on the other shelf.
No wonder these books fall off. See?
Was she knocking the other one out to make space for herself?
Maybe.
Cheeky cat.
What did Patrice find out about
That's what you're hearing, the paw.
That's Fendi redecorating. Must have been too heavy a volume.
Susan's book, signed by the cast of Gone with the Wind.
Really wants to get in there now.
79,000. So I was excited about that. Very excited to know that her book, used in Hollywood, was worth that kind of money.
So the numbers are great and everybody loves them. But the reality is the stories are what get on TV.
Not everybody.
You gotta put the lighter books in the center so she can redecorate.
I don't know what she's doing. Look at
Like,
this.
I really want to get in there.
I
Right
know.
behind these books. He's a book critic. Who's trying to get it? If I go on this side, I must be able to do this. There you go. That's a much easier spot to get to.